How to make PayPal payment. PIA S5 Proxy has 4 different packages. Currently the most popular dynamic IP. It is also the package with the most discounts. Supports various browsers. No bandwidth limit, no traffic limit. Next is the enterprise plan. It only costs 1200美元 to purchase 3万 IP, very discounted. Static exclusive IP allows users to have a fixed region and can purchase it on a weekly or monthly basis. Select a city to purchase, click to purchase. Enter your personal information. Click the buy button. Enter your personal information again. Then click next. Fill in the information as prompted above and click submit.